Hey guys, today we'll be looking at Vivo's new flagship device, the Vivo X300 Pro. This phone is packed with serious camera power, a top tier chip, and a premium design that's built to impress. In this video, we'll explore its top features, specs, and price. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the Vivo X300 Pro stands out mainly for its camera system. It features a 50MP Sony LYT-828 main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a massive 200MP Periscope telephoto lens with optical image stabilization. The setup is Zeiss-tuned, meaning you get cleaner, sharper, and more color-accurate shots, even at long distances. There's also an optional Zeiss teleconverter lens that lets you extend zoom performance even further. That's something you don't see on most smartphones. Under the hood, Vivo's using the new MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chip built on a 3nm process. Basically, it's super powerful and crazy efficient. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just scrolling endlessly, this thing can handle it all smoothly. You get up to 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.1 storage, so yeah, you're not running out of space or speed anytime soon. The display is another highlight, a 6.78-inch LTPO OLED with 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It's also very bright with up to 4500 nits peak brightness, and it's got IP68 and IP69K ratings, meaning it's resistant to water and dust. Battery wise, you're getting the 6510mAh cell, which is massive, plus it supports 90W wired and 40W wireless charging. The device has an elegant profile with a thickness of just 8mm and it weighs 226 grams. The phone runs under Android 16 with Vivo's Phone Touch 16 OS on top, and according to Vivo, the device will receive up to 4 major Android upgrades. I also forgot to mention that the rear camera of the Vivo X300 Pro, that's the main rear camera, can shoot up to 8K videos at 30fps, and the selfie camera can shoot up to 4K videos at 30fps. Other features include an under-display fingerprint scanner, a USB Type-C 3.2 with OTG support, it supports NFC, face unlock, it has stereo speakers, and so on. The device also comes in black, blue, white, and brown colorways, and its price starts at around $700. So these are the top features of the Vivo X300 Pro. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.